Hi guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about some common crypto slangs and their meanings. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrency, you may have come across these slangs and not known what they mean. So here are some of the most famous crypto slangs with their meanings. Number 1. HODL. HODL. This means to hold on for dear life, implying that you hold your cryptocurrency even if the price drops with the belief that it will eventually rise again. Second, FOMO. Fear of missing out. This is the feeling of anxiety that some investors feel when they see a cryptocurrency's price rising and they don't want to miss out on potential profits. Third, whale. Whale is a person or entity that holds a large amount of cryptocurrency and has the power to influence the market with their trades. Fourth, moon. Now, moon refers to a cryptocurrency's price rapidly rising to a new all-time high. Fifth, bag holder. Bag holder is someone who bought a cryptocurrency at high price and is now holding on to it as the price drops. Sixth, REKT. REKT. It is actually REKT. This means losing a significant amount of money on cryptocurrency trade. So there you have it, some common crypto slangs and their meanings. It is important to understand that these slangs are frequently used in the cryptocurrency community. This would be all for this video guys, and if you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe to Unocoin's channel for more such videos. Also, if there's something that you want to know about, something new, some meaning or something in the cryptocurrency world, let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.